So many of our customers have said that they are a little confused about some of our blonde shades and being very similar and what the differences are. Well, today we are going to discuss how each blonde shade is actually very different in their own way.
So our first colour is Almond Frost. Almond Frost is a golden blonde highlighted with ash blonde. Almond Frost also has dark roots. Caramel does not have the same dark roots like Almond Frost. Caramel looks similar to Almond Frost, but Caramel is a light brown shade with platinum blonde highlights. Next, Summer Shandy is a mixed blend of platinum blonde and a light blonde. Platinum blonde looks similar to Summer Shandy, but platinum blonde is our lightest blonde shade and is one solid colour. Platinum blonde is the best colour to dye as it is the lightest base to be coloured. Finally, Creamy Ice is a gold blonde and light blonde blend. Creamy Ice also has dark roots. Cream Soda does not have the same dark roots as Creamy Ice. Cream Soda is made from dark blonde and highlighted with light blonde. We hope this video has explained some of the differences of our popular blonde shades. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.